ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। Ninth chapter sentences. In ninth chapter, what we saw? Guru Shabda, Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda, then Vidhiling and Trutiya Vibhakti, and Anuswara Sandhi means when dot is followed by vowel, what happens, consonant, then what happens, and when nothing is followed by, then what happens. So that's all we saw. Now sentences is, first sentence is दुर्जन शिष्य से क्या लाभ। दुर्जन शिष्य से क्या लाभ। Now what is this Sanskrit sentence? See, one rule we saw, kim karyam arthah prayojanam. If all these four avyayas or shabdas come in prayojanam artha, then we do tritiya. Like murkhena shishyena kim karyam, like that we saw. So durjan shishya se kya labh? How will you say?
Durjani शिष्येन।
Durjan. नहीं, tritiya vibhakti you make it properly. Durjan shabda is there. Like durjanena. Like Lakshmanena.
Durjanen.
Durjanena. What is it?
Durjanena Shishyen.
Durjanena Shishyena Kim Prayojanam or Kim Karyam or Kim, that also. Kya labh, the meaning is Kim Prayojanam, Kya labh. Kim, if you say only Kim, that also means the Kya labh, because all are in Prayojan Artha. Haso, mat haso. Alam hasitena. Alam hasitena. Because with alam shabda we use tritiya vibhakti. Alam hasitena. Okay, alam hasitena. Then mat khao.
Alam bhojanena.
Alam bhojanena. Alam bhojanena. शत्रु आंख से काना है।
नेत्रेण काना।
बट हु? शत्रु। शत्रु विभक्ति। कौन काना है? कौन काना है? शत्रु। तो शत्रु इज कर्ता। कर्ता प्रथमा. व्हाट इज द प्रथमा ऑफ शत्रु शब्द? गुरु. शत्रु नेत्रेण काणः. डिफॉर्मिटी अगर है तो देन वी से तृतीया विभक्ति. दैट इज द रूल हियर. शिशु कान का बहरा है.
कानेन,
नॉट कानेन, कर्णेन. फर्स्ट यू से
शिशु
कर्ता. शिशु
कर्णेन.
कर्णेन कर्णेन का बधिरः. दिस यू डोंट फॉरगेट. ऑल ऑफ दिस. बधिरः. अस्ति इज अंडरस्टूड. ओके. शत्रुः नेत्रेण कानः अस्ति. शिशुः कर्णेन बधिरः अस्ति. देन सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट. ओके. पशु पैर से लंगड़ा है.
पशु पादेन कंज. How to pronounce that?
Kanjah. That is ka cha cha ja jha. पंच, like खंज, like that. खंजः, खंजः. Okay. पशुः पादेन खंजः अस्ति is understood. Okay. गुरु स्वभाव से सज्जन है.
गुरुहु.
Guruhu. There was one rule for Prakruti, and there Tritiya happens.
Prakrutena.
No, Prakruti Shabda is different. Prakrutihi is Ikaranta Strilinga, like Gatihi, Matihi, all are Ikaranta, but not like Hari, Strilinga. So we saw one vibhakti, Guruhu Prakrutya, Tritiya. This is going to come. Tritiya of Prakrutya. Like Hari Shabda Tritiya, Harina. But Prakruti Strilinga, Prakrutya. Gatya.
Like Ramaya.
Matya.
Like Ramaya, sir.
But it is different.
It's like Ramaya.
But different. Ikaranta becomes Prakrutya. Okay, Ramaya. Like that only, but different way. Okay. Prakrutya. Guruhu Prakrutya Sadhuhu. Sadhu means what? Saral.
Sajjan. Okay,
Sajjana also is fine.
Sajjana बोल सकते हैं, Sajjana.
We use same words. Sadhu, Sajjan, Sant. Okay. Guruhu Prakrutya Sadhuhu Asti. What was the rule? Like Prakruti आदि क्रिया विशेषण शब्दों में तृतीया होती है. सुखेन जीवति, दुखेन जीवति, प्रकृत्या साधु. That was the rule. Okay, प्रकृत्या साधु. वायु सुख से बहती है.
सुखेन.
but
बहती.
कह बहती.
वायु.
वायुः सुखेन वहति. सुखेन वहति. वहति गया ना. बहता है. ओके. नाउ सम विधिलिंग. चलो गुरु शिशु गुरु को नमस्कार करे. बट फुल सेंटेंस.
शिशु गुरुना.
Why Guruna? Why Guruna?
Tritiya.
Why Tritiya?
There it is request.
But there is no rule. Then when there is Vidiling, then Tritiya Vibhakti.
No, I didn't know this.
Gurum.
It is same sentence, only the verb we are changing. Like Shishuhu Gurum Namati. शिशु गुरु को नमस्कार करता है. शिशु गुरुम नमति. एंड नमस्कार करे. शिशु गुरुम नमेत. नमेत. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
This actually Gurum is actually Dvitiya Vibhakti, no?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Because karma, we saw karma. Kartuhu ipsitatamam karma. Like most desirous, lovable thing of a karta is called karma. If Shishu is prostrating to Guru, means he is most desirable, lovable thing is Guru. That is why they are karma. Okay. Tu Surya ko dekh.
Tvam Suryam.
Pachet.
ठीक से बोलो.
Suryam Pashet.
Suryam Pashet. Okay. Pashet.
Sir, then that Shah will be half written or we have to write full?
Which?
Pashet.
Tvam Pashet, how will come? Pashe will come.
No, not Pashet. Sorry. Pashet.
If Sah is there, then Pashet. Tvam Pashehe, like Bhavehe, Bhavetam, Bhavet. Like that. भवेद भवेताम भवेयुः भवेहे भवेतम भवेत भवेयम भवेव भवेम. मैं चंद्रमा को देखूं.
Aham. Indu.
Very nice. हाँ, aham
Asami. What is it? 1 minute, sir. I'll see what it is. Bhave.
हाँ, भवेयम. Now,
Bhaveyam.
pasha.
Pachayam.
Very good. Pasheyam. यम. Okay.
पश्ययम.
हाँ, वे शत्रुओं को जीते. वे. ते.
Shatru Jayat.
Why शत्रु? Now शत्रुओं को, not one enemy, many.
Yeah.
शत्रु. हाँ, decline now. Guruhu, gurun. That is why all शब्द.
शत्रुन. Right.
शत्रुन. हाँ, जयेयुः है ना, जयति. तो जयेत, जयेताम, जयेयुः. हाँ. Vishaka, 9 chapter sentences we are seeing. Okay. हवा बहे. वहे. Yes. भवेत वहे. शिशु पशुओं के साथ पहाड़ पर जाए. Now you see सह के. शिशु. हाँ, not पशुना. एक पशु है, पशुओं के साथ मेनी. हाँ, तो पहले दिस यू मेक शिशु. Now what is the third vibhakti? पशु भी, like गुरु भी. तो पशुओं के साथ, पशु भी सह. सह came, that is why third case. पशु भी सह पहाड़. गिरिम गच्छे. ओके. साधु वृक्ष के पास बसे. बसे मीन्स रहे, he reside there, live. हाँ, साधु. नहीं, थोड़ा सा देखो. हाँ, साधु
वृक्षानि. वृक्षानि सह.
But वृक्ष is पुल्लिंग शब्द. And here you have to use samaya, nikasha, because pass, close. And we know the rule, samaya, nikasha के साथ. Second case. साधु.
Vriksham.
No, one vruksha, it is not one vruksha. It is many. Vrukshan. Sadhu vrukshan. वृक्षों के पास. वृक्षान निकषा. और वसेत इज द मोड. बसे मीन्स यहाँ पर नॉट सिट. बसे मीन्स बस जाए. हम बोलते हैं ना उसका घर बस गया है. वो कहा बस गया है. बस मतलब वसेत. वसति मीन्स रहना. लाइक अहम बोईसरे वसामी. वसे. तू घर जा. Now here is the test.
तुम गृहं गच्छ.
Why? No, why gachet? First of all, gachet will not come because it is tvam. So gacche might come, but it is adnyartha. It is not jana chahiye, jaye. That is why it is gaccha. Tvam gruham gaccha. See, this is how they will test you. Tvam gruham gaccha. Gaccha understood because it is adnyartha. It is not vidhiling. Wo ghar jaye. It is not like that. Okay. मैं वृक्ष को देखूं. अगेन विदली. ये तो हो गया ऊपर. हाँ, सूर्य को था.
अहम वृक्षम. वृक्षम सर.
हाँ, मैं वृक्षों को. मैंने आर देर.
वृक्षानि.
नो, इट इज फुल्ली देयर. अहम Vrikshan.
Vrikshan.
Aham vrikshan pashyam, because मैं aham. विशाखा समझते का पश्येयम.
Pashyam.
ओके. अहम वृक्षान पश्येयम. ओके. हम सूर्य को देखे.
हम means vayam, sir.
हाँ, वयम.
Vayam. Suryam.
हाँ.
Ravim.
Ravim, because Ravim is the word given. Suryam is also not. Vayam, Ravim. भवेम. हम देखें. We all must. हाँ. पश्येम. If you know this भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्ये. All this is Veda mantra. भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः. पश्ये. All this. वयम रविम पश्येम. कृष्ण चावल पकाए.
Tandulam pachet.
You don't say directly. First you start with karta. Krishna tandulam. No, not one grain.
Chawal.
Tandul, many.
Tandul.
Pachet.
Raman. Tandulam. Tandulan. पचेत. कृष्ण तंडुलान पचेत. कृष्ण चावलों को पकाए. चावल पकाए, चावलों को पकाए. शिशु दूध पिए.
Pibet. Dugam. Dugdam.
शिशु दुग्धम पिबेत. Yeah, पिबेत. Done. Okay. Just fill in the blanks. 4, 5 are there. We'll see that. Okay. Alam shabd. What will come? What would come? Alam. Fill in the blanks. Next is the dash. Alam.
Sir, can I say Kridet?
Why?
Kridet. No, I'm saying enough of playing.
No. Alam Kridaya. Then you have to say Kridaya. Alam Kridaya. Kridaya.
Alam.
But here Hasitena, like that they have.
Oh.
Okay,
so we told me Kridena.
No, Kridena it won't. Because Krida Shabda is Strilinga.
Okay.
Prakrutya, yes, Prakrutya. What can come? Prakrutya Dushtaha, Sadhuhu, Sajjanaha. Prakrutya Saralaha can come. Agar if there is one lady, then Prakrutya Sarala. Sarala means straightforward, simple. Prakrutya Sarala. If man is there, then Prakrutya Saralaha. Bolo.
Next one is Karnena.
What's the meaning of this?
Means by nature he is straightforward. Like Ravanaha Prakrutya Dushtaha. Ravanaha Prakrutya Dushtaha. Or Durjanaha Prakrutya Durjanaha Prakrutya Sadhuhu. Whenever there is nature, third case, that is what the rule. Badiraha. What will come? Dash Badiraha.
Karnena.
No Karnena. That is why I am again taking this. Karnena.
Karnena. Okay.
Kana Shabda is different meaning.
Ice. Yeah. Ice. Okay.
Karnena Badiraha.
What are the fourth words, sir? I didn't know what it was.
Khanja.
No, fourth one. fourth fill in the blanks.
हाँ, को अर्थ, हाँ, को अर्थ.
What is that, sir?
कह अर्थ. What is the,
Okay.
हाँ, उसका क्या अर्थ है, like that. कह अर्थ.
Okay.
हाँ,
Koartham.
हाँ, को अर्थ. See, कह is pullinga, so अर्थ is also pullinga. So what we can say, मूर्खेन पुत्रेण मूर्खेन शिष्येन कह अर्थः, है ना. मूर्खेन मूर्खेन शिष्येन शिष्येन पुत्रेण शिष्येन कह अर्थः became को अर्थः. And actually it is कह अर्थः, that became को अर्थः. That rule is coming. मूर्खेन शिष्येन कह अर्थ, को अर्थ. पश्येत, fast, पश्येत, what can come there?
Pashyet. Pashyet can be.
Very simple.
Ravi
Any,
who?
huh?
Pashyet. You can say no, Ravi who?
Ravi who?
No.
Ravi is ikaranta
He.
shabd.
Ravi he.
Ah, Ravi he pashyet. Like sun is watching. Sun should watch. देखे, सूर्य देखे. पठेम, fast, पठेम. What can come? Dash पठेम.
Pustakam Pathem.
नहीं.
Vayam.
Here what karta will come? We are talking about karta. No, we cannot add karma. Pathema.
Vayam will come, sir.
Vayam pathema. We all should study. What to study, that is not given. Okay, gachema is easy. Nayayam. Okay, nayayam. Nayayam means what? Nayati dhatu.
Nayam.
Ni nayati. Ni nayati.
It's actually Namayam.
No.
Bring.
Nayati. No, to take. Anayati means to bring. Anaya means to bring.
So the word is Namayam. Anamati. From actually Namati, Namayam.
See, ni nayati is the dhatu. Ni nayati. That becomes nayet, nayetam, nayayuhu. Nayayam means I should take. नययम. मैं ले जाऊं इस अर्थ में. So it is aham. One thing is clear, it is aham because am is come. है ना. भवेयम means aham भवेयम. तो नहीं. Okay, is there any doubt?
Gachem, so that Gachem.
That is same, so I did not take it. Gachema, like Pathema was there, so Gachema you will say immediately Vayam. So I did not take.
Sir, in that Vakya Banavo na, last but one, Tyajyayam. Tyajyayam. What does it mean?
Tyajati means what? To give up, to drop.
Tyajyayam. Okay. Is to drop, give up. Okay.
That also we'll see. We have time today. Only Pitru Shabda we have to see. That's all. So thoroughly we'll see it. One sentence we can make. Chalo. We'll understand now when we have to make sentence. Make sentence kaha arthaha. Just now we saw, but still.
We'll use the same.
Vakya banao. Murkhena netra kim. Neta shabda is going to come. Neta. Like if your neta is foolish, what is the use of that? Murkhena netra. Netra doesn't mean netra. It is neta shabda. Today we'll see that also. Neta, netaro, netru means the neta, the one who is leading us. That is called netru shabda. So murkhena netra kim. Netru shabda tritiya vibhakti netra. Today we'll see pitru shabda tritiya vibhakti pitra. Okay. Kim prayojanam. Make sentence.
Same.
But try to make different sentence. Murkhena shatruna kim prayojanam. You can say that. What is the use of foolish enemy? Murkhena shatruna. Shatru shabda tritiya. Shatruna kim prayojanam. Na? Alam shabda vino. Prakriti vino. Kanah khanjah. Pathet. One sentence you make pathet. Like netrena kanah. Padena khanjah. Prakrutya sadhuhu. Dushtah. Sajjanah. That we know. Pathet shabda. One sentence you make.
Pustakam patet.
Kah pathet.
Krishna.
हाँ कृष्णः पुस्तकम पठेत. Krishna should read books. लिखेत one sentence. लिखेत one sentence. विशाखा one sentence. लिखेत.
रामः पुस्तकं लिखेत्.
Okay, रामः पुस्तकं लिखेत. पत्रं लिखेत. वेदं लिखेत. श्रुतिं लिखेत. कुछ भी. गच्छेः. Now what will come here? Gacchehe. What will come?
Go.
Go.
यूयं गच्छे.
Why yuyam? Gacchehe is there.
Gacche.
गच्छे कहाँ पे आएगा?
वेरी सिंपल. भवे है कहाँ पर आता है? भवे है. Like that गच्छे है.
भवे किधर है? भवे is not there.
You are not getting it. भवे है. त्वम गच्छे है. Very simple it was. त्वम गच्छे है.
Okay, भवे है.
हाँ गच्छे है.
Okay,
त्वम गच्छे.
sorry.
हाँ. वदे है.
त्वम अच्छे
हाँ.
त्वम के साथ गच्छता था. त्वम के साथ गच्छता ना गच्छ.
No. Here you
त्वम
say.
गच्छ.
हाँ, but here you say भवेत भवेताम भवेयुः. भवे है. तो गच्छे है means त्वम. हाँ, we are saying Vidiling here, and you are talking Adnyartha. Okay, Pashet, Tishtet, everything is easy. Pashet, Ramah Pashet, Saha Pashet, Tishtet, Sita Tishtet, Hanumanah Tishtet, Hanuman Tishtet, Pibet, Balakah Pibet, Pruchet is also easy. Shishyaha Pruchet. Tyajeyam you make. Tyajeyam.
Tyajeyam. Aham tyajeyam.
Aham tyajeyam. Okay. Khadema.
Vayam, sir.
Vayam khadema. Means we all should
eat.
Okay. 10th chapter we will try. Nothing is okay. You haven't written. Fine, we can try. Or should we wait? Okay, chalo. 10th chapter, Now ninth is over. Okay, any doubt in 9?
No, no.
Prakrutya, you keep Prakrutya, Alam, all this stuff.
Sir, I was not clear. In the 9th chapter, we don't change the karta into Tridiya and all, no? In most of the places, we keep the karta as it is and change only the.
Yeah. For example, no, in one place which, like Prakrutya Sadhu, we don't change. Ramaha Prakrutya Sadhu. By nature, he is good. One.
No, I did the mistake. I did the mistake. No, even the karta I was making into Tridiya Vibhakti.
No, karta you don't. Like Ramaha, not Ramaha, Shah, what? Balakaha Netrena Kana. So Balaka we are not changing.
Yeah, I had done that wrongly.
No.
Okay.
And Murkhena Putra, there we are changing, okay? Karta. There we are changing karta. Murkhena Putrena, things like that. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Guru Shabda, all 4 Shabda you make it firm. Otherwise the question nahi hoga. Okay, fine. So in 10th chapter, mostly what is going to come? In 10th chapter, Chaturthi Vibhakti is going to come. We saw Yana Sandhi also. We saw Chaturthi Vibhakti also. We saw. Now there are three different dhatus. Okay, we know only Dadati we have used many times, but there are 3 dhatus. That 3 dhatus we will write down. Okay, so whenever we give something to somebody, we use Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay, then first dhatu is Da. See, Da. One dhatu will write down. This Da is in different ganas. Pay attention. Da same dhatu in Prathama gana. In first group, it declines like Gachati Gachata. Da becomes Yacha. Da becomes Yacha. Okay. So I can say Ramaha Lakshmanaya Shatam Yachati. Shatam means 100. Ramaha Lakshmanaya Dhanam Yachati. The mool dhatu is Da and it declines like Yacha. Okay, Yachati. That is like simple. Yachati, Yachata, Yachati, Yachataha, Yachanti. Okay. Yachet, Yachetam, Yacheyuhu. Like Dan De. Okay. Dhanvantaha, Deenan, Dhanam, Yacheyuhu. Dhanvan Shabda is like the one who is having dhan. Next, same Vitru is the Shabda. Vitru is the dhatu. And it becomes Vitarati. 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 Like distribute. And we say Bakshis Vitaran. Like distribution. It is giving only, but slightly different meaning. Distribute. So it also declines like Gachati, Gachata, Gachataha, Gachanti, Vitarati, Vitarataha, Vitaranti. Guruhu Upaharam Vitarati. Guru distributes the prizes. Okay. Guruhu, I am writing a sentence. Guruhu Ishebhyaha, because many are there. Guruhu Shishebhyaha Upaharam. Upahar means prize. Upaharam vitarati. Yachati also, no problem, vitarati. And the next one is da dhatu, but it declines like dadati. Da dadati. This we are going to write because it declines. It will be different. The all mean the same. Dena. Yachati means dena. Vitarati means dena. Okay. And here da dadati means also dena. Now write down this dadati dhatu. One or two changes. Otherwise it is simple. Dadati is third gana dhatu. Third group. And da yachati is first group. So chalo. How it declines? Dadati. Where is this? Haan. I am writing now this dadati dhatu. Okay. You also write with me. 1 minute 20 seconds. Can you finish? We will finish. Okay. Dadati. 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 Dattah. Dadati, how it goes? Dadati, dattah, and dadati. So datta guru, datta means the one who gives. But that datta is different. This is different. Here datta means tau dattah. Two people gives. Tau. Okay, you see dadati, dadati. Dadati, dattah, dadati. It is not dadanti. That is why separately we are writing it. Dadasi. 9th chapter it comes. Yat dadasi. Dattah, not difficult. I will make it big also. Dattah, dattah, and dattah.
Dattha.